back. I'm Al, and as I said before, I'm trying to learn English and improve my skills like listening, speaking, writing, and something like this. In this video, I wanna share with you that a website you can learn every technology you want. For example, this for example Bootstrap, Learn SQL, MySQL, PHP, and something like this. This website is w3schools. In this website you can learn everything you want for web development, learn programming things, and it's really good. You can you for you it's really good to you if you want to learn something from scratch. For example, if you want to learn something about web technology like JavaScript, like PHP, MySQL, or something like this, it's really good. And I recommend to you for 2022 you must learn, you must learn some technology or some basic of web, some basic of internet. You can start with HTML, CSS, and Bootstrap, and in this Bootstrap SAS, and Mm, especially if you familiar with HTML and CSS, you can start learning JavaScript, React, Angular, JSON, Ajax, and it's really good. It's really, for example, if you have time, for example, about 15 minutes every day, you can learn these technology. For example, we start in to learn JavaScript, and after uh, introduction, you know for example, you can read this text and you can try it with yourself. For example, I try here, and it's about, if I click in this button, change the, you know it's really good. It's it's kind of function. When you click on this button, the inner HTML, the text, the inner text change to hello JavaScript, and it's really good. It's really fantastic. I really recommend to you for 2022 you start learn new things. Start learn web technology like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. It's really fantastic, and it's really you love your journey in to learn programming things. And I I wanna ask you try these things and share your idea with me. Thank you.